You are looking at a live camera, webcam style from Port Tampa Bay. Welcome one and all. Let me get my other phone out. If I can find it. Oh, I gotta do something. I gotta turn on my hotspot. You're gonna see me do that. All right, it's March 2nd, 2024. We're in downtown Tampa, watching 3 cruise ships leave today. Realistically, we may only see 2 of them, unless I pick up everything and move spots. Thank you all my subscribers for watching. We're almost at 1,000. It's taken me like 8 months to get here. We're gonna get to 1,000 soon. Hope you're one of those new ones. We're glad you're one of the old ones. If you're a loyal subscriber, I want to say thank you right now for being a loyal subscriber, for being part of the first 1,000. I'll pull out my other phone here real quick, and I'm just going to see what this thing says this thing is called. 'Cause I know how to make changes to it. I think I will. At least make some changes to it. You're going to hear some beeping. All kinds of stuff coming on. You're looking at Radiance of the Seas right there. Radiance. Then you have Enchantment in today in port. Then you have a celebrity ship, the Constellation. Celebrity Constellation. Hope the sound's okay. Let me see if I can see any kind of chat. So for me to do chat, I gotta hit this button to see chat. Yep, no chats. Make sure you say something. Let me know you were here. Otherwise I won't know. I just know somebody watched it, but I won't know that you watched it. Anyways, I got here around 3 o'clock today. I'll check the clock in a second here right now. Let's see. Time now is 2:52. Ships leave at 4 o'clock. Guess what? We're gonna stay live. We're gonna do some ship watching. I'm gonna move the camera some here and there. Here and there and everywhere. I'm at my quiet spot today. I shouldn't have nobody approach me. You'll hear some cars leaving once in a while, but that's normal. I'm in a parking lot. That camera went out, didn't it? You know what it does? It'll do that. I'm going to turn it back on. It'll do that if I'm not touching the camera, if it's not on external power. So I got to zoom it once in a while. It's going to come back on for you in a second. Where did it go? Now it's messing up. Tampa. There are 3 ships leaving port today. They start around 4 p.m. Eastern time. Come watch the webcam live stream. That thing dropped out again, didn't it? I'm about to get it on external power. All right, we're live. We are live. We are live, got a live stream going. I got a secondary live stream, 2 streams. 2 streams on 1 channel. The first one's right here. It's my close-up camera. I don't know if you can see that. A zoom camera. I got 2 zoom cameras. One doing a video, one doing a live stream. This live stream is on the cruise channel right here and now. Right, so you're getting 2 different streams. That's what you got going on. And we're doing live webcam style version today because ships don't leave for another hour. So let's let me do something here. Let me dim the screen a little bit. Okay, so it saves the battery some. That right there is the radiance of the seas. Radiance of the seas. That one over there is the Constellation. Celebrity Constellation. Alright, so I got to find something to prop this phone up with. Oh, I got a couple of bottles of water. That works well. Let me get these, and I got a spot over here on this trash can. We can set this phone. Just let you look in. As long as I move that camera. Now I got 2 streams going here at once. So just go back to my channel and you can see both of them. Let's see what else I can show you. I really can't show you much from this angle. Let's look a little bit at the Celebrity ship. Let me turn the whole tripod. There you go, now you're looking at Celebrity Constellation. Either one of these 2 ships are fine ships. The 3rd ship in port is, and we might leave here right at 4 o'clock, drive to the end of Davis Island and let you see all 3 ships come by us that way in motion. Because today is the day for the cruise channel to show you sailways. It ain't every day we have 3 ships here. Only about, I don't know, 4 times, 3 times a month maybe at the most. Usually it'd be on a Saturday. can I do here? There's my microphone. There's my... Can't do anything really, can I? There's the captain right there, and first officer.